Okay, in this video, I want to go over how to find solution to a system of linear equations by the method of substitution. Now recall that the solution to the system of linear equation is the point of intersection of the two straight lines on the graph of these two equations. Now, what is substitution technique? Well, you basically take a value of a variable or an expression of a variable and you replace that same variable in the other equation with that value. Now, looking at example 1, I have the equation y equal 9 minus 5x and 10x minus 7y equal negative 18. Well, I can just go ahead and take this given expression of the y and replace this other y with that whole expression. So by doing that, my new second equation is going to be 10x minus 7 multiplied by, instead of y, it's going to be this whole thing. 9 minus 5x equal to negative 18. Distributing the negative 7 into that, I would have 10x equal negative 7 times positive 9 is minus 63. Negative 7 times negative 5x is plus 35x. And then equal to negative 18. Combining like terms, that would be 45x. Bring down to minus 63 equal to negative 18. Solving for x by getting rid of the minus 63 by adding it to both sides. I got 45x equals 63 minus 18. That will give me 45. 45x equals 45. Get x by itself by dividing both sides by 45. I get x equal positive 1. Well, with x being known now, I can just plug it back into one of these original equations to solve for the y variable. Now, I'm going to plug it into the first one because it's already saying y equals something. So that means I'm going to have y equal 9 minus 5 times 1. But hey, we know negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. 9 minus 5, that's going to give us y equal to 4. So the solution to this system is 1, 4. All right, so we do the first example. Let's go on to the next one, second example. Second example, we have 5x minus 6y equal negative 4. And then we got x equals y. And hey, conveniently enough, we get x equals y, which is the same as y equals x. So earlier, I replaced the y. Now I'm going to replace the x. Well, we got x equals to y, so replace the x in the first equation with the y. So that means I'm going to have 5 times y instead, minus 6y equal to negative 4. Combining like terms on the left because we got a coefficient 5 and a coefficient negative 6. Multiplying the identical variable y and both of these y variables are raised to this exact same exponent of positive 1. So 5y to the first minus 6y to the first is negative y to the first, which is just negative y itself, equal to negative 4. We want to solve for y, not negative y. So that means we have to divide both sides by negative 1 to get rid of the minus sign. So we're left with just positive y equal to positive 4. But wait a minute, y equals to 4, but we get over here, we got y equal x. So that means if we replace this y with the 4, we're going to have x equal to 4. So the solution to this system is 4, 4.